Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jordan here, back with another video. Today we have another unboxing video. Got the package in the back. Gonna go and grab these real quick. Here is the box. If you guys know this box, the tape, you know where these came from. Adidas. Got these in from Adidas. Hit these on the Adidas app. These are the YEEZY SULFUR. I believe these were US exclusive, and I sold them on eBay already for $2.90 shipped. And so we're gonna go ahead, crack these guys open. So as soon as I'm done with this video, gonna print the shipping label, put them back in the box, and ship them out. So I am three for something on Adidas app. I got the zebras, the Yeezy reels, the neon green pair, and these guys right here. Go ahead, try to get these out of the box. Here we go. Toss the box in the back. YEEZY 350. You guys already know what's going on. Size 9.5. Sulfur, sulfur, sulfur. Show you guys the tag real quick. There you go. Oh my god, try not to drop them. So you guys can see, I don't know why they're put in the box like this, but whatever. Sulfur, Yeezys. Very similar to the what were they? The Earth Yeezys. Similar tones. I kind of don't know which pair I like more because I haven't seen the other pair in person. So we got that. Go ahead, find the other shoe in the box, wherever it's hiding out. There it is. So you guys can see, Sulfur Yeezys. But if you guys can see, Sulfur Yeezys. Go ahead, get a quick thumbnail for the video. There we go. Sulfur Yeezy, size 9.5. Got these on the Adidas app. With these, obviously reservation, just enter in the reservation and just hope that you get them. And I got them. Another thing with these is the yellow boost little tab thing right there. There's the boost itself, tags, everything. So size 9.5, like I said, these are already sold. I bought these to resell. I don't really care about Yeezys that much for personal. I have the Oreos, and it's the only pair I really want other than the Oreos. For personal is the Zebras, but again, I'm not really too worried about those. I'm happy with the Oreos that I have, but I don't really wear the Oreos anyway, so there's no point in really buying other Yeezys to wear if I don't even wear the pair I have. So whatever, but Sulfur, Yeezys, like I said, I'm pretty sure these were a US exclusive as well. So happy to have these in my pickups, even though, what color is the insole too? I can't even believe it's just gray. This insole is gray. I think they're pretty clean. First Yeezy I think I've gotten this year. Yeah, first Yeezy pickup I've gotten this year. So gonna go ahead, get up out of here. So YEEZY Sulfurs, hit these on the Adidas app. But anyway, guys, that is going to wrap up this video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Fizz New York clothing brand page, Fizz Kicks resale page, where these will be posted. And if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you aren't already. Comment down below. Did you guys go for these? What Yeezys are you looking forward to this year? Do you think Yeezys are dead? In my opinion, the hype has definitely died down, but I think you can still... They're still up there, like people still go after them, they still sell out. Even if the resale isn't as good as they used to for most of the colorways, because it's very similar, they're still gonna sell out regardless, even if resale isn't what it used to be. But anyway, that's it. Hope you guys all enjoyed. See you next video. Peace.